If you're looking for a way to streamline your conference and event travel, Navan is the tool you need. Whether you're organizing an event or attending one, this software simplifies the entire process, from booking flights to managing accommodations. Stick around because we're diving into exactly how to use Navan for conference and event travel, and by the end, you'll know how to save time, money, and stress for your next event. You can actually use Navan completely free right now through the first link in the description below, and we have exclusive bonuses that you won't find elsewhere. Trust me, you'll want to check that out after you see what Navan can do for you. Navan is a platform that brings everything together into one user-friendly interface. It's perfect for business professionals who need a smart solution to manage their travel logistics. The software combines booking flights, hotels, car rentals, and even trains into one streamlined experience. This means no more juggling multiple sites for your travel needs. You can book everything directly through Navan, saving you valuable time. One of the major benefits of Navan for conference and event travel is its flexibility. You don't need to manually search for deals or worry about availability. Navan's smart search engine finds the best options for your travel dates, location, and preferences. Whether you're booking a last-minute flight or a longer trip, Navan adjusts to your needs and saves you from hunting down the best prices. The integration with your calendar is another powerful feature. If you've already got your conference or event dates locked in, Navan can pull them from your calendar and suggest the most efficient travel options. This is incredibly useful for those who have back-to-back meetings and need to optimize their schedules. It's all about convenience, so you can focus on preparing for your event instead of worrying about logistics. For corporate teams, Navan takes the hassle out of travel management. If you're handling the travel for multiple people, you can book everything in one go and manage team itineraries easily. It's much more than just booking flights. Navan lets you keep track of everyone's schedules and ensures everyone's travel plans are in sync. If there are changes, Navan's mobile app sends alerts, so you're always in the loop. Another huge plus is the ability to manage expenses. You can track and report on travel costs directly within the platform. This is especially important for conference and event travel because it helps you stay within your budget. No more trying to piece together receipts or manually entering expenses. Navan does it all for you. You can generate reports with just a few clicks, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your travel budget. Lastly, let's talk about the mobile app. Whether you're booking travel or managing your itinerary while you're on the go, Navan's mobile app gives you full control. You can check flight statuses, make changes to your bookings, and even contact customer service if anything goes wrong during your trip. And just before we wrap up, remember that you can access all of this for free with our exclusive trial, available only through the first link below. Trust me, it's worth it. So to sum up, if you're looking for a simple, efficient way to manage your conference and event travel, Navan is the answer. From easy bookings to seamless expense tracking, this software takes the stress out of travel, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, your event. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended trial below. Thanks for watching and happy travels.